Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome to Mbel-Techyz HTML and CSS web development course for absolute beginners. In this course, you'll be learning how to build a professional website without having any coding experience. What I mean by this is that zero coding experience. If you don't have any coding knowledge, this course is for you. This course is a simplified comprehensive course on HTML and CSS. I would love to show you what you can do with HTML and CSS. First of all, you can build a static website. What did I mean by static website? Static websites are those websites that does not have a registration system, like where you have to log in or register for anything. Example of these static websites are like portfolios, personal websites, business websites like cake websites or restaurants website, and all these kind of informational websites. The second part is that you can build the visual part of anything. What I mean by this is that you'll be able to clone any kind of website. For instance, you'll be able to clone an e-commerce website or a social media network like Facebook. You'll be able to clone a Facebook. You'll be able to clone Instagram, YouTube, and all these kind of other platforms, other social medias. So these are the things that you can do with HTML and CSS. You can actually do beyond this, but as for this course, this is a comprehensive course and a beginner level course. So who is this course actually for? This course is a beginner level course. It's actually geared towards absolute beginners. So it's geared towards those that does not have that do not have any coding experience, that is zero coding knowledge. So this course is for you. All right, so before we begin in the course, I would love to show us what we'll be expecting in this course. First of all, we'll be setting up our coding environment, that is, we'll be setting up our folders and the files we'll be using to work in this course. After that, we'll be setting up our software. We'll be setting up the tools that we'll be using for this course, the software that we'll be using to write our codes. Another thing we need is a web browser. A web browser helps us to display the results of our codes. So basically, the web browser, it's just the environment that will display every code we write in our coding environment. So we have thousands of browsers that are out there, but for this course we'll be using the Google Chrome. You can use any one if you have. For instance, we have the Mozilla Firefox, we have Safari, we have Microsoft Edge. We also have Internet Explorer, but I don't recommend anyone to use Internet Explorer because it's kind of I'll call it a bullshit, because unless you want a challenge, unless you want to challenge yourself and feel frustrated. But I don't recommend you to use Internet Explorer. So for this course, we'll be using the Google Chrome, as I've said. All right, again, this course will be sectioned into 3 parts. Like I've said in the introduction video, it will be sectioned into 3 parts. We have the HTML section, we also have the CSS section, and the project section where we'll be doing some projects. Alright guys, so those are the basic things we'll be doing in this course. I'd love us to begin and start working on our folders and setting up our softwares for this course. Let's get started.